Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
My name is Aisha Nigat and I'm from Stevenage North Jamaat. My question is, as Waqfate know, are we permitted to work alongside our studies?
If it is a work experience, then you can work. But and if you are studying in the university and you need some money to continue your study, to meet your expenses, or to gain some work experience, then you can work. Otherwise, but with the condition that your dress should be modest and you should wear hijab, right? Then you can do it, otherwise not. Okay?
Jazakallah.